busy because I keep doing this. Show some love. You know I'm trying. Baby, tell them I'm yours. If you're being territorial, oh my God, I did. How? Show me your love. Show me how big is your love. The only thing to make you mine is marry you. Mary, you're so quick there. You're so fast. Oh my God. What happened to dinner dates? Why are you rushing? So big. What happened to dinner dates? We do it after we married. Oh my God. It's reversed now. Is it reversed now? Big tita. Do you want to be my niece? Why? You want to be my niece, Raza?
Collecting music takes charm with strangers. Post a charm with your friends and share your favorite.
Later, sugar pie. Later, honey pie. Later, honey pie cream cheese. I don't without married. Oh my God. Just dinner, you need to get married for dinner. Tina B. Hi, ultra, mega. Ultra, mega. What else? Ultra, mega, super. Po. Ultra po. Hi, Kat. Mysterious, hello, baby. Why are you being so mysterious? Nakalimutan mo na ako i-follow ako. Talaga, I'm so sorry. Yan, pinalo na kita. Huwag ka na magtatampo. Tata, no, you better next time. Why next time? Okay, salamat. Huwag magtatampo ha. Hi, Rocco Robin. Why next time? Why not now? Hey, Adi. I'm sad. Can you make me happy? You don't like it, Rush? You want it, Rush? Hindi naman ako nagtatampo eh. I can only give you this. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Thank you so much! You never told me. Was that a good risk? Yeah! You got me there! Oh my God! I'm gonna give you really, really good one next time. I'm gonna... Oh, why haven't I followed you? Oh my God. I told you I'm trying.